The average person will make one error every 300 characters. 300 characters, one mistake. Why is that? Because repetitive tasks lead to distractions, and distractions lead to mistakes. Think about that. One mistake could easily affect the safety, compliance, or security of a product. In fact, the #1 cause of product recalls is labeling mistakes, costing over $80 million in losses across North America. With Domino's Bar Code Scan and Lookup, mistakes become a thing of the past. By using Bar Code Scan and Lookup, a product can be scanned automatically, and the appropriate printing can take place without intervention and without human error. Plus, Operator Mode provides a configurable, optimized touchscreen interface to allow for rapid and scalable deployment. By utilizing quick design and Bar Code Scan and Lookup, you eliminate the risk of human error. And most important, provide peace of mind for your business and the bottom line. Think about it. What is the impact of human error in your environment? How would it impact downtime and product labeling problems if it could be eliminated? All it takes is one mistake to ruin your day. Contact Domino today, your experts in coding automation and validation, to discuss error-free coding solutions